You don't need a website, don't need a credit card. Do this from anywhere in the world, and I repeat, applicable worldwide. This is amongst the greatest, coolest and fastest way to make money online. Before we go any further, comment below, give me that money. Also mention your country by saying Nicaragua, Brazil, Cuba, Nigeria, Australia, wherever you're from, represent in the comment below. If this video hits 2,500 likes, I'll do a $250 giveaway, and that's easy PayPal money for you right there. So now you see, by watching my video, you can also start making money online. But the best is still to come, so keep watching. Just in case you're wondering who I am, my name is Pete. I own a digital marketing company in Frankfurt, Germany. My passion is e-commerce, investing, making money online, and email marketing. I'm here today to help you make money online. Take these easy to join surveys and start making money online. They pay with BPay, PayPal, and super awesome gift cards like from Adidas, Airbnb, Amazon, you name it, with Apple Gift, Apple Music, so many awesome. Take a look at these. All these are right here for you to start cashing in. So many advantages taking these surveys, and I'm going to show you how this works in a few minutes. Start making money online right here, right now. eBay gift cards, so many GameStop gift cards, you name it. Google gift cards. The list is endless. You know, I'm here on this web page and I'm even totally surprised. It's incredible. Start making money online. Look at that. Nike is also here. Adidas, we already saw. Many chances. Reebok. So many chances and opportunities to start making money online. So join in. Just stay with me. Take a good look at what I'm going to show you. You need a VPN, so I want you to just go to Google, type in free VPN, and anytime you actually use this software, you need to activate the VPN before you get started. Alright, so just go to free VPN for Chrome, open it. Alright, so I've already installed the extension, but what I'd suggest you to do, install this free VPN for Chrome, and then you can get started. And when it's installed, you make sure that you always activate it. You can choose a location. I'd suggest you should choose any location in the US. Right, so there we go. So you just choose a location. I chose the US, and then you can always get started with this. So make sure this is activated, and then you can start earning money on this website. So just do this step, and then let's continue. Get paid for taking surveys online. All right, so now you're gonna head over to Branded. All right, we'll get into the details pretty soon, but as it says, taking surveys with Branded surveys is a fun way and easy way to earn cash online. Alright, cash and gift cards, you know, just from the comfort of your home. All you need to do, I'll show you how it works, but all you need to do is come over to Branded and sign up, register, start a survey, and complete a survey and cash money. That's how easy it gets. Alright, so we'll go into details pretty soon. Alright, so now make sure your VPN is turned on. Very important, and the best is to use Chrome. So go to Google and type in Branded surveys right here, and you should see this. Just open it in a new tab and you will see this as well. So it says get paid for your brand, for your opinion with Branded surveys. All you need to do is give in your opinion, say what you think about whatever questions they have, and you can start cashing in real cash or in points. All right, okay, so this is how it works. You can play out this video. I'm not going to play it right now, but just take your time, play it, and continue with this lesson. All right, and your dashboard will look something like this. So just join with either your Facebook or just sign up right here and enter your email address, create a password, and yes, your gender, and say you agree to the terms and conditions and the privacy policy. And very important, make sure you write all your details down in a notepad, all right, so you don't lose it. So I'm already registered. We'll just go to the next step. So do that and we'll go to the next step. After registration, you're going to be greeted with this page right here. Just type in your first name, your last name, your zip code, your month of birth, day of birth, and year of birth. For the zip code, my caution, just go to Google and type in US zip code. All right, should be a 5 digits. Just paste it in here and then get started so you can start earning. All right, so very important, go to Google, search for zip code, and then you can start earning. All right, so with the US zip code, just go to Google, type in US zip code, and you'll have these codes. Yeah, it's already said 5 digits. Alternatively, you can just check more rows right here and then just copy any of these, but I'd say, all right, any of these should do, and then we're ready to kick off. All right, so if you're in the US, Canada, or UK, you don't need this VPN process. All right, so if you're not, this is the process. I put in the zip code and then my date of birth, and then you can just say start earning and then see what happens. All right, so there we go. You already start earning, you get your first points. That's 50 to your dashboard. Then you can just go to your dashboard and then start earning. So it says, pro tip, cash outs are possible upon receiving 1,000 points. All right, and 1,000 points, it's equal to $10 US. All right, so you can do as many reviews and surveys as you may wish. So this is your dashboard. This is how it look like. And I created a new account especially for this. Yeah, you can actually start taking your first survey. There we go. So let's try this. Just take 5 minutes. So we're not going to go 5 minutes, but we're just going to go through fast. All right, you take a survey, you just answer a few questions. Next question. I'm not going to read all this, but so you just take your time, read through. If we read through all this, that will take way too much time. Yeah, just go through it. Next question. Yeah, so we're not going to go through all these, but this is how it looks like. Just take your time, go through them, and when you're done, we'll be off to the next. All right, cool. Otherwise, if I go through all these, that will take way too much time. And then you submit. All right, so take your time, go through the lessons, read through, take your time, make sure you see the development going on right here. So later on it'll say you'll be 17 out of 17 completed. All right, so wish you great luck and see you in the next one. All right, so after completing your survey, you'll be granted another 50 points. You can check your points right here and see how it's developing. All right, and then when you hit 1,000, you can always cash in. All right, so you'll be greeted with this champion sign right here saying you've actually finished your surveys. You can check your inventory surveys, or you could check partner surveys right here. All right, so you can just click here, partner surveys, and then you're ready to go. Now let's take a closer look at your dashboard. Here under points, you see your points right here. Here you also see it right here. So you see that the points that have been approved, and here you can choose the payment option. That is how you want to get paid after taking all these surveys. And right here under earnings, you can see what has been approved. All right, so I'm sure once you take your time and do all these surveys, you're gonna see a long list right here, and you can start cashing in your money. And if you have any issues with your surveys, just report an issue right here. And the branded elite, you just get to see your standings. Now you've got a bronze badge. Just read through right here. Yeah, as you keep making points, first you're bronze, then you get a silver badge, then you get a gold badge. You see right here, you have like more advantages. Here you have 5% bonus, then you get a 10% bonus and a 15% bonus, and it just goes on. Surveys you can take on this page, the better it is for you. All right, so yeah, there we go. I looked through, and they have an awesome referral program. So refer a friend and get 50 points every time you do this. All right, so you can refer so many friends as possible and so many points as possible as well. All right, so take your time, go through the pages, through your dashboard. Two things are worth mentioning. For example, check out the payout options. For example, as I already showed you in the beginning of the lesson, these are the options. Take your time, read through, see what you can get, the advantages and disadvantages. I find this site pretty awesome. Yeah, read through everything so you get all the details. Yeah, you can also check how it works. Read through all these. Should you run into issues, that is if you're not situated in the UK, Canada, or the US, you might run into some issues like these where IP address is not as wished. So all you need to do is go to Google again and type in free VPN without proxy IP address. So read through, check any of these, update your VPN a bit. Keep trying this method over and over again. It will only work out if you keep trying. Never stop. However, if this method doesn't favor you at all, then try out this 12-minute method a single grandma adapted to making passive income online in her first week. Maybe you might also get lucky. Making money online is a never-ending process, so come back at least 3 times a week to my channel for new and latest updates on how to make money online.